Okay, today I'm going to, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to fix this bathroom door. Okay, I don't have to have a bathroom door. To me, that is a wall that can have my house code things hung on it and then stuff put in the front of it. So, and covered it with this matching fabric up here that I put. You can see it. And let me turn the light on. Maybe that might help. I know there's a lot of, that ain't help nothing. Anyway, so I put Velcro on the sides and the Velcro didn't hold. So I'm going to put those, I'll show you in a minute. They're the mirror hinges, those clear mirror hinges, and drill a couple of holes in the metal to hold it. But the main part that I want up here is, let me show you, is this towel, house coat, clothes rack, whatever you want to call it. So on the clothes part right here, where it hung on a door, and my idea, and I got this one a little bit straight, but this is my idea. Okay, I'm trying to walk slow so you won't get sick. All right, so this is my idea. I'm going to take my headdress off, and then I'm going to put this under it. That's done. Then I'll be able to still open the door. So now let me get started on that. So it's awesome. They put that headdress up here, so I guess this could flex when it's moving, you know. So it went right in there. And then once I put the headdress back on, that'll hold it in place. And then, you know, the weight is only, I think it's awesome. Okay, so okay, I forgot to say to you, I took the door cover off and the handle because it was bulking. So I wanted to say that. I will eventually get the tripod thing and be able to do it instead of turn it off, turn it on. But anyway, we got that up there, and I'll put the covers on the screw caps after I get it on. And then I went and locked the door on outside and made sure it shut good. And it's not really affecting it at all. So now I'm just, and it's flexible because it's Luan board. So it'll go up back up under there. Just bend it a little bit, and I'm going to put Velcro on it. So I'm going to staple Velcro on it, and then it's going to come right here. This is where it's going to be. So I was going to do the mirror clips, but they're not going to hold. They're going to stick out, and it's still not going to hold it down flush. So I'm going to try that, and that don't work, I'll create my own mirror clips with some plexiglass that I have some left over, but I gotta get the jigsaw out and everything. I didn't want to do that, so I'm gonna try this now. Okay. All right. Velcro worked, and then I got the glue gun out and put the caps back on. And what's so cool, I wish I could have straightened that out a little bit better on this part here, but I didn't. But this right here moves. See, I can get it to move. It's not coming out, so that's so awesome. Anyway, that to me blocks out the heat and the cold, and I'm not going to use that door. Now, of course, it's going to come off, and I saved the door cover and handle. And if there's an emergency, that's flexible because it's Luan board, and I just pull it and bend it. That's how I got it in there. I bent it. So, looks really nice. I just got to put my little tiny baseboards back. Got those painted. Put those back, and then I'm done. Well, we've got to clean up the mirror right there. So, anyway, it's absolutely gorgeous.